Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech Tips. Today I'll reveal being a hacker. Disclaimer. Your usage of this video constitutes your agreement to the following terms. Tech Tips is a site related to computer security and not to promotes hacking, cracking, software piracy. The articles, tutorial and demo provided on Tech Discussion is for informational and educational purpose only, and for those who are willing and curious to know and learn about device, security, computer tips. Anytime the word hacking that is used on this site shall be regarded as hack safety tips. Do not attempt to violate the law with anything contained here. If you plan to use the content for a legal purpose, then please leave this video immediately. We will not be responsible for your any illegal actions. Neither administration of this channel, the authors of this material, or anyone else affiliated in any way, is going to accept responsibility for your actions. The misuse of the information in this channel can result in criminal charges brought against the persons in question. The authors and Tech Tips will not be held responsible in the event any criminal charges be brought against any individuals misusing the information in this Tech Tips to break the law. You shall not misuse the information to gain unauthorized access. Becoming a great hacker isn't easy and it doesn't happen quickly. Being creative helps a lot. There is more than one way a problem can be solved, and as a hacker you encounter many problems. The more creative you are, the bigger chance you have of hacking a system without being detected. Another huge quality you must have is the will to learn, because without it, you will get nowhere. Remember, knowledge is power. Patience is also a must, because many topics can be difficult to grasp and only over time will you master them. Do not attempt to hack someone, you may lead to criminal charges and also can damage your device. Use of internet to conduct violent acts that may result in, or threaten, loss of life or significant bodily harm, in order to achieve political gains through intimidation. It also sometimes considered an act of internet terrorism, where terrorism activities, including acts of deliberate, large disruption of a computer networks, especially of the personal computers attached to the internet by means of tools such as computer viruses, computer worms, or other malicious scripts are used. That's for today. I hope you have lesson learned about to of reveal being a hacker. So leave a like and subscribe for more videos upcoming informative tech discussion. Thanks for watching. I'll catch up next time. Beast. Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech Tips. Today I'll discuss of definition and type hackers. A hacker is someone who likes to tinker with electronics or computer systems.